Hey y'all, Shane Rice here, following up on a conversation from dataStudio. So a couple days ago, I added a video where we talked about how if an owner of a dashboard is no longer with GitLab, that we can copy that dashboard to create a new copy of that, and then update the data sources so that we recreate that report without a lot of extra work. People in the issue pointed out that they can copy a dashboard, but when they copy the dashboard, the data sources aren't available. And so that led me to some investigation. And what I discovered is that so when I'm just going to go to dataStudio now. When you're in dataStudio and you click on either owned by me or shared by me, there are three options you have up top here. So you have reports, data sources, and explorer. So if you go to data sources, like for me, these are all the data sources that I've added a different reports during my time with this GitLab account in dataStudio. So what we can do though, so I can't make someone else the owner of the data sources that I've created, but what I can do is I can share them. And so I'm going through and sharing some of the key reports I know I have, and making those so that they're available to anyone with a GitLab email address. They can view them. If you can view them, that also means you can copy them. You can add them to reports. So for, I think before we finish up my transition period, I think one of the things I'm going to try to work with Danielle on is copying as many of these data sources over to her account, and then we can, spread those out from there. But I think this is proven to be one of the major limitations of dataStudio. It's anytime there's someone leaves or there's any kind of turnover, it can be a bit of a headache. So we may, one of the things we may want to do is consider like a dedicated dataStudio user that will be permanent and that people can log into or share access with, just to prevent this from happening and being kind of a scramble in the future. So just want to talk about that, share kind of what I'm learning, and keep everybody up to date with the best practice for getting this data set up correctly in these dashboards. So that's it. Thanks, y'all. Talk soon. Bye.